कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणतः क्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः. Om. Hey guys, very good afternoon to everyone. And today I'm going to make a video on attrition. So for that we need few informations. First of all, let's see the formula. Attrition percentage. Okay, attrition percentage, and the formula would be number of attrition for a period. A period could be week, month, days, whatever you want to select or choose. Normally month, we calculate attrition for a monthly basis. Okay, that is the normal practice. So let's divide this by average head count for the same period. Average head count for the same period multiplied by 100. Okay, whole multiplied by 100. So number of attrition for a period divided by average head count for the same period, whole multiplied by 100. So that is the percentage. So we need to put this sign here. Okay, otherwise Excel is thinking that this is a formula. Well, this is not a formula, this is just a text. Okay, so let's remove the grid lines so it will show up properly. Okay, now so this is the formula. Okay, now based on this formula, let's calculate the stuffs quickly. And what is average head count? Average head count for a period would be opening head count for that period plus closing head count whole divided by 2. Okay, so this would be the formula. Okay, so this will be the formula. Okay, so number one formula is attrition percentage, and the second formula that I have written is average head count formula. Opening head count plus closing head count whole divided by 2. That is the average head count. Now let's take an example. Okay, so let's say for the month of October, September, let's say for the month of September, okay, let's say we have attrition of 2 people. Like 2 people got attrited from our team, let's say got terminated or resigned, and joined a different company, whatever it could be. So 2 attrition, let's say 2 people from our team got attrited. Okay, now that's for example I'm saying. And one person got moved to a different process, let's say to a different process or to a different team, no more reporting to me. Okay, so this one person who got moved to a different team or different process, he might not be reporting to me, but he is still on the company's payroll. So this one person which got moved to a different team or different process cannot be counted as attrition. Okay, so this is the attrition. 2 people got attrited, 1 person got moved to a different process or a different team. Let's say the opening head count is 20. Let's say the opening head count is 20, closing head count is how much? So if 20 is our opening head count and two people got a trite and one person got moved to a different team or different process, so 20 minus 2 minus 1 is 17. That's the closing head count. Okay, so while calculating the closing head count, I will minus this move person. Okay, but for calculating the attrition, I will not use this move person. Okay, so what would be the average head count in that case? Average head count, let's say opening plus closing divided by 2. So opening head count is 20 plus closing head count is 17, whole divided by 2. That is the average head count. Okay, now I got opening head count, I got closing head count, I got average head count, and I got the attrition count as well. So what would be the, so as per this formula, attrition percentage formula, what would be my attrition rate for September? So the attrition for the month of September would be 2 this attrition divided by average head count, that is 18.5. so shift control 5, 11%. so let's add 2 more decibels, so 10.81 would be exactly my attrition percentage. Okay, 10.81% would be my attrition percentage for September. So normally the targets are 5% to 6%, company to company it differs. So if my attrition percentage for a month is 10.81%, which is more than the target of 5% or 6%, so that is a little bit concerned. So normally we need to keep attrition percentage at 5% or below 5%. Okay, so that's how we calculate attrition percentage. Thanks for watching this video, and keep subscribing my channel. Thank you.